Here I have InFocus M810 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the settings and here you need to find and select the display. Here let's tap on the home screen wallpaper and you can choose home screen wallpaper from your gallery, live wallpapers, photos, or from wallpaper gallery. Let me choose wallpaper. Here you've got wallpaper created by InFocus. Let me use, for example, the following one, tap set wallpaper. This is the wallpaper for your home screen, but you can also use wallpaper for your lock screen. So let me tap the lock screen wallpaper and you can, for example, use the wallpaper from home screen or you can use other wallpaper. If you tap other wallpaper, you can choose from gallery or from wallpapers, and for example, let me choose the following one, tap set wallpaper, and now as you can see here you've got new wallpaper for your home screen and new wallpaper for your lock screen. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.